Hello, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. I hope everyone is having a great weekend. It is Saturday, and we are doing our Learn to Trade for Beginners class. All right. So, this is a webinar for beginning traders only. All right. So, we'll go probably about half an hour at the most this morning. So, you guys can get back to your weekend. All right. We do these webinars. We do evening classes every day, right? Sundays through Thursdays, and then we do our webinars on Saturdays. All right, beginning traders webinar on Saturdays at 11 a.m. Eastern time. All right. My name is David Stephenson. All right, David Stephenson. I'm with Monster Trading Systems. We design trading systems, provide coaching and training to new traders. So welcome, all right, welcome. The goal is to get you guys, if you're serious about trading, right, as a new trader, you're serious, right, want to get you the right tools so that you have a good start and hopefully success in your trading career. All right. So again, my name is David Stephenson. I'm with Monster Trading Systems. All right. Here's me right here. Right. Started our company, Monster Trading Systems, about gosh, what is it now? Going on in January, we'll be 14 years. So 2010 is when we started. All right. I've been trading for over 25 years, guys. So I have figured some things out when it comes to trading. So my goal is to help you set up, started, get you started the right way. All right. So David Stephenson, if you guys get a chance, you could go on our website. It's monstertradingsystems.com. All right. Let me put that in the chat there for you. www.monstertradingsystems. All right. .com. All right. And also, you can reach me directly. That number is in the chat. All right. 407-733-0185 or on WhatsApp and email. Right. Also in the chat, David at monstertradingsystems.com. All right. We have tons of traders. Right. Most of those traders started where you guys are, right, as brand new. And we have a lot of traders that are doing well. Some have trading full time, some trade part time, and the goal is to find success, find where you fit in your career as a trader. All right, so we're gonna go through some basic fundamentals. I'm gonna give you guys today. So some basic fundamentals. All right, so learn to trade for beginners. This is the webinar. All right. The number one book I recommend to our traders. All right. If you guys haven't heard of this, I recommend that you get it. All right. You don't have to actually get the physical book. We do when we do our coaching. I do one-on-one coaching with traders throughout the week, and we give this book free to our traders. That's how important it is. Okay. You can also after the webinar, just go on YouTube. All right, you can go on YouTube, type in Trading in the Zone. Trading in the Zone, it will come up. You can start listening to this information if you're serious about trading. All right, so Trading in the Zone, master the market with confidence, discipline, and a winning attitude. All right, so Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. Highly recommend this book. Again, we provide it free of charge to our coaching students. All right, we have 3 different levels of coaching, right? Beginners, right, for beginning traders, intermediate, all right, and then advanced coaching for our seasoned traders. All right, so master the market with confidence, discipline, and a winning attitude. Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. Right, when you're done here, if you're serious about trading, go on YouTube, start listening to this information. All right. Tons of books out there. There's lots of information, lots of books out there. All right. You can get overwhelmed with a lot of information. So as a new trader, we want to keep it simple, 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 simple. I always say trading isn't easy, but it is simple. All right. So Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. All right. Some other resources that we provide with coaching. All right. Other resources we provide when we do our coaching free of charge to our traders. The ultimate guide to swing trading, the ultimate trading risk management, all right, and the ultimate guide to technical analysis. All right, technical analysis. We'll start with risk management. Right? Very, very important, guys, that we manage risk. Understand when we're trading, right, we are putting on risk, right? We're putting risk on or taking risk off when we are trading. We're either putting risk on, taking risk off. Okay, risk management is critical because we need to learn how to manage our trades, how to manage our capital when we trade. Because guess what? This is our money. All right. Right. This is our own money, our capital. So we need to know how to manage that capital effectively. One of the main ways to manage your capital, risk management, is what you're doing here. Listening to this information, getting this information, getting the right education, getting the right tools, like what we do, trading systems to help you manage risk. All right. Once you're able to do that, understand how trading works, become a trader. All right. With that's disciplined, then we can take it a step further with sizing, right? Sizing your capital, right? Sizing up your trades. All right. So there are different things we can do. I think the main one in risk management is getting the information, getting the tools, right? Becoming a really good trader by almost like being a professional trader. All right. I know a lot of times we don't have the capital like professional traders, but that doesn't mean we can't think like a professional trader and execute, all right, and behave like a professional trader would. And that's where Trading in the Zone will help us quite a bit. Okay, so ultimate trading risk management guide. You get that with our coaching. Technical analysis, the ultimate guide to technical analysis. All right, that's what we do, guys. So we follow patterns. All right, we looked at candles, we look at support and resistance. All right, as part of our trading. So we don't just take a trade based on what we think. All right, we follow technical analysis, right? Not fundamental analysis. We believe that fundamental analysis is built in the price action, built in the technical analysis. All right, and then swing trading, right? What I would like you guys to do, most new traders, when you get into trading, all right, we know of day trading, all right, and we all want to be a day trader. Well, there are other types of trading that's out there. All right, so there's day trading or intraday trading. Some traders call it scalping. All right, and then there is swing trading, right, which is a little further out. Right, so intraday trading, day trading, you're usually in and out in the same day. Swing trading, we usually hold the trade a bit longer. All right, so a few days, if we're lucky, week, couple of weeks. Okay. And then position trading. That's a longer term time. That's a longer term. We call it time frames. All right. So position trading would be on a daily time frame. Swing trade, 60-minute, 4-hour time frame or 240. All right. And day trading intraday. So anything below a 30-minute, 15-minute, 5-minute, 1-minute time frame, that's day trading. All right. So it's important to know this. All right. Because most traders, when you start trading, right, when you start trading, you don't trade full time, right? You don't know what you're doing. All right. So you can't day trade because guess what? You've got to be somewhat glued to your screen. All right. So most new traders start with us, right? They do a combination of swing trading, position trading, and intraday trading, day trading when they've got time. All right. So if they're taking a break from work on vacation, they might do some intraday trading. All right. All right. So ultimate guide to swing trading, ultimate trading risk management, right, guide, and ultimate guide to technical analysis. Very good resources. And again, we provide that information uh, when you do our one-on-one coaching, all right? Those book guides, you get that for free, all right? The number one question I normally get from new traders is, hey, David, where do I start? Where do I buy? Where do I sell? All right. And that is an important question. All right. How do I get on the trade? How do I get off the trade? All right. And most traders believe that you're going to buy when the support, they've heard of support and resistance. And almost 90% of the time traders believe that you need to buy at support, sell at resistance. And you can certainly do that. All right, and that's called a range trade here, a range trade. And if you see here, support and resistance, the keys to your success. So guys, this is critical. This is the keys to your success. Support and resistance, the keys to your success. So rather than buying at support and selling at resistance, and we'll do that sometimes, all right? The goal is we want to buy when the price breaks resistance. All right, that's when we start the trend. All right, we call it your markup phase, but just know that when the price breaks resistance, buyers are now in control of the price. Okay, so we need to be buying when the price breaks resistance. Think of resistance as your ceiling, support as your floor. All right, so when the price breaks resistance, we're going to be buying, buying, buying. Price breaks support, we're going to sell, exit, or go short. We can make money when the price goes down. All right, so support and resistance, the keys to your success. So guys, we have these charts here in the chat, so you guys can, I always tell traders, print it out and you have it in the chat. It's downloaded for you. All right, so you can print it out, laminate it when you get a chance. Okay, so support and resistance, the keys to your success there. All right, we always want to buy when the price breaks resistance, sell when the price breaks support. We buy on the break of resistance because the buyers are in control. All right, so we want to buy when the buyers are in control. Who are the buyers? Big institutions, big hedge funds. Okay, so we want to buy when they're buying. Sell when the price breaks support. Guess what? Now the sellers are in control. Big institutions, big hedge funds, they're getting out. All right, so we need to be getting out also when they get out. So we always piggybacking on their trades. Okay, whether they're buying or selling. The 4 market phases that every trader must know. And guys, you guys must know this as new traders, right? Feel fortunate that you're getting this information. A lot of new traders do not have this information, do not know how to navigate the markets. Okay, so the 4 market phases that every trader must know. The first phase is the accumulation phase. All right, second phase is the markup phase. Fourth phase is the distribution phase. All right, I'm sorry, third phase. So let's start over again. First phase, accumulation. Second phase, the markup phase. Third phase, distribution. Fourth phase is the markdown phase. Okay, I'll go through how each of them work. Again, accumulation, markup, distribution, phase 4, the markdown phase. Okay, so accumulation starts, well, like I said, right? Support and resistance. You'll find the accumulation phase as the bottom left, middle, or right of your chart. All right, distribution will always come at near the top of your chart. All right, so we want to be buying at the bottom, selling at the top, buying at the bottom, selling at the top. All right, so accumulation phase 1, right? Price breaks resistance, we're going to buy, right? Within, that's the markup phase. That's your trend, all right? Uptrend, long trend, right? At some point, since price doesn't go up forever, it's going to slow down. If new buyers enter the market, breaks resistance, that's reaccumulation. So just think of reaccumulation as new buyers entering the market. All right. There's going to be a point. We know it can't go up forever, right? Can't keep making highs forever. All right. So at some point, we're going to have resistance, strong resistance. All right. If the price breaks support, we have to exit. That's called the distribution phase. All right, so we're always going to buy on a break of resistance, sell on a break of support, right? So when the price breaks support, that's the distribution phase. And now we enter the markdown phase. So distribution phase 3, markdown phase 4. All right, that's the distribution phase. All right, and then the markdown phase. Within the markdown phase, right, when new sellers enter the market to push the price even lower, and you guys will see that. So when stocks are moving lower, cryptos, right, um, futures, forex, right, you will see that price is really moving lower. It probably broke a new support level in the redistribution phase. Okay, so just remember phase 1 accumulation, phase 2 markup. Within the markup phase, we've got reaccumulation, and then 3 distribution within the and then after distribution, markdown. Within the markdown phase, if we have new sellers enter the market, that's redistribution, and then it starts all over again right here with the accumulation phase, all over again. And you guys will see this pattern on your charts, price charts. You'll see it over and over and over. So the goal as brand new traders, right? Feel lucky that you have this information, because guess what? All right, most new traders don't have this information. Okay, so now that you have this information, you should be able to recognize. All right, when should I buy? When should I sell? What phase of the market? Right? I mean, right? Should I be buying? Should I be waiting in the accumulation phase? Should I be buying because the price broke resistance? Should I sell because the price breaks support? And now, should I be waiting in the markdown phase for the next phase, the accumulation phase, and then do it all over again? Okay, so the 4 market phases that every trader must know. Again, it's in your handout. So I recommend traders, you guys print it out. All right, laminate it, save it. Okay, trend following, the meat of your trade. So just remember, we're going to buy, enter when the price breaks resistance, sell, exit when the price breaks support. Never buy the bottom. We're never going to get out at the top. Okay, so we'll never buy at support levels because it could go lower. All right, never buy, sell at the very top. We need that price to bend. All right, hit support and then get out. All right, so we get the meat of the trade. I know most traders want to get all of the trade, right? We want to buy at the very bottom, sell at the very top, right? That's almost impossible. All right, so we're going to buy on a break of resistance, sell on a break of support, get the middle part of the trade. I call that the sweet part of the trade, the meat of the trade. So we do trend following. All right, you could trade the range, which is what we call it, between support and resistance. And there are times when we can do that, but ideally we want to buy when the big institutions are buying. All right, guys, I do coaching. We do coaching throughout the week. All right, we have 3 levels: beginners, right, intermediate, and advanced. Right now, coaching is discounted quite a bit. All right, so we do 4-hour beginners coaching. Here's the price here. Intermediate, right here. All right, 8 hours, and then 24 hours for advanced coaching. Okay. All right, so a couple of testimonials. All right, I want to leave you guys with, and then we'll be done. This is one of our most consistent traders. This is Dean, right? Dean, he's been trading with us for what? I think a year now. Started with us, had been trying to learn how to trade for several years, came to us, and we really got him going. Dean, if you guys go to our website, you'll see, go to success stories. His stories there, and many of our other traders. All right, very excited for Dean. All right, he's been came to every single one of our evening classes when he was starting off. Right, we do classes every evening. I really picked it up. Started. His goal was initially to make about $100 a day. That was his goal. Then he's up to about a little over $1,000 a day. Consistently does about 5,000 a week. Very, very consistent. He's probably up to that amount now. All right. No guarantee that you guys are going to do as well as Dean. All right. And we've had traders that do even better than that. But good example of someone who had been trading for a while, really couldn't figure it out, came to us, got him set, got him going, and now he's doing really, really, really well. All right. Dean's goal was to travel, right? Trade and travel, and we can barely keep up with Dean now. He's traveling all over the place. Okay. The next one here, so great, great congratulations to Dean. Another trader here, Saga, a little different. Saga had never traded before. All right, never traded before. And look at his setup now, guys. Never traded before, came to us. All right, young man, in his late 20s. All right, wanted to had been working really, really hard. All right, several jobs, and wanted to kind of scale back on the jobs and trade. And his first about a couple of weeks with us, did about 600 a day. Spoke with him, when was it, 2 days ago. He had a day where he did 500. So new trader, right? Not quite as where Dean is, but hey, he's learning. Invested in some equipment. Here, look at that, guys. He looks like a trader now. Looks like a professional trader. That's what we want, right? So in a couple of months, 3 months or so, 2 3 months, be able to change his mindset, get him thinking like a trader after he got out of the coaching that we did with him. Invested in some software, invested in some of our solutions, and he's trading. So read his success story. I always say that the way you're going to learn as a new trader is to get inspiration and some techniques and skills from other traders that are doing what you guys want to do. All right. So thanks for coming. All right. Again, thanks for coming. My name is David Stephenson. If you guys want any more information, all right, if you need to contact me, my information is right here in the chat. All right. So monstertradingsystems.com is our website. David at monstertradingsystems.com is my email. My cell number 407-733-0185. You can text me, call me, reach me on WhatsApp. We are always available for our traders. All right. So welcome. All right. If you want, again, go onto YouTube. If you're serious about trading, go onto YouTube, type in Trading in the Zone. All right. Start listening to that information. And I am always available. So if you need any coaching, need help with anything, just let me know. Okay. Take care, guys. Enjoy the rest of your weekend and your Saturday. Take care. Bye bye.